And my dear friends, the most impressive thing is to see him switching through the registers. I mean, how beautiful is it? He just jumps and skips and hops. I mean, key changes, mixed voices, staccato. His vibrato is beautiful. Um, his lower chest voice, his mixed voice, his head voice. He goes into high notes. I mean, he just executed flawlessly all his technical gifted abilities in this song. And you know what? Yes, our Prince did that. Hi, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a returning viewer, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. I hope you enjoyed this video. And for my subscribers, these videos are just for you. Well, my dear friends, like I mentioned in my previous video, I would be reacting to some of Dimash's love ballads. And in today's video, I'm sure you all can tell which one I'm reacting to, right? Yes, Your Love. And I think I had a request for this one too. Well, if you're interested, please keep watching.
Well, you know Премьера песни «Подарок вам, дорогие женщины».
Well, my dear friends, what can we say about our Prince of Kazakhstan that hasn't already been said? Well, I can tell you, in this song, Your Love, it was a masterpiece by Igor and Dimash. Yes, it absolutely was. I mean, these songs are like created specifically for Dimash's voice. And my dear friends, you see our prince, before he gets started with any song, there's dexterity. I mean, he gets himself centered. He summons those emotions from the lyrics, and he become one with the lyrics. And as you see throughout the whole song and throughout the whole performance, there is emotion, you see passion. And my dear friends, we just have to acknowledge again Dimash's lower register, which is always, like in the previous video, just gorgeous, ravishingly beautiful. And my dear friends, this song crescendos into so many elements in the song, and Dimash just executed them flawlessly. The way he changed keys, the way he just jumped from notes to notes. My dear friends, when we see our prince transition from a strong belt into a classical, operatic head voice, and then into those high notes, like he's just tapping on top of the keys, and then he do the key changes, and then he decides, okay, maybe I'll just, for this particular song, do maybe about 4 octaves, and slowly and flawlessly make all these key changes. Well, I have to say, our prince is technically gifted, and he executed this song flawlessly. So it was skipping through the tulips in a portion of the song, and his voice did not crack. There was no change. He didn't gasp for breath or anything. My dear friends, this is what you call perfection. This was perfection. It was executed flawlessly, and it demonstrates Dimash's power, gentleness, softness in his vibrato, in his staccato, his mixed voice, low register, chest voice, mixed voice. I mean, he just gave us a buffet of all of his gifts and talents. What more can you get from one person? I mean, if we had to have a number of people do this, it would be literally like 10 people. Our prince executed this song perfectly, with perfection. I don't think Dimash has to even prove to any more judges or organization or councils or groups or anybody. He doesn't need to prove his ability. He doesn't have to prove to anyone that he is the most gifted person out there, because the people have spoken and we all agree that he is the world's best singer out there today. So we don't need approval, and he doesn't need approval from any group or organization, and he doesn't even need to stand before any judges anymore, because We have spoken and we have decided, the dears and all the people out there, that he is the best artist, bar none. So, Dimash, you don't need to go before any more judges. You don't need to go into any more competitions. You have run your course. You finish your job as far as competitions are concerned, because we know that you are the best. We don't need to hear it from anybody else. So you go out there and you do what you go out there and pursue all those goals and dreams that you started, that you wrote down when you were young. That's what we're looking for. No more judges and no more competitions. You don't need one more competition, because these people aren't even qualified to judge your vocal abilities. They're not even on the level, because you have to be in a different dimension to be able to understand and analyze the level of Dimash's vocal abilities. And I don't think none of the judges out there are. So, as for me, he doesn't need to go before anybody else. And he just executed this song flawlessly. And kudos to Igor. He they really work well together. And they really produce, the extremely beautiful ballads and melodies. And I just hope that they keep working together, because he needs Dimash and Dimash needs him. And we need them both. Right, dears? Yes, we need them both. Well, my dear friends, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and turn on your notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload my next video. That's it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.